Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bubble Tea UGC in Roblox. First, you need to understand the user-generated content program, which allows creators to make and sell virtual items. To become a creator, you must meet specific eligibility requirements, often involving a proven track record of creating engaging experiences. Once eligible, you can access the Roblox Creator Hub, your central portal for all creation tools and resources. Next, you will design your Bubble Tea item using a 3D modeling software like Blender or Maya. Your model must adhere to Roblox's technical specifications, including polygon count and texture size, to ensure optimal performance. For example, accessories typically have a polygon limit of 4,000. After modeling, apply high-quality textures and materials to give your Bubble Tea a realistic and appealing look, making it stand out to potential buyers. Once your Bubble Tea model is complete, you will upload it to the Creator Hub. It is crucial to provide a clear, concise description and relevant tags, such as accessory or food item, to help users find your creation. After submission, your item enters a moderation queue. Roblox's team reviews all submissions to ensure they comply with community standards and technical guidelines. This process can take several days, so patience is key. Finally, after approval, you can set a competitive Robux price for your Bubble Tea item. Creators typically earn a 70% share of the Robux from each sale, with the remaining 30% going to Roblox. To maximize sales, actively promote your UGC within your own Roblox experiences or through social media. Engaging with the community and showcasing your items' unique features can significantly boost its visibility and appeal to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.